Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we look at the apoptotic genes. Apoptotic genes. So to begin with, first we look at the anti-apoptotic. So anti-apoptotic is nothing but the members. The members, it includes the BCL2. There's BCL2, there's BCL-XL as well as the MCL1. So some important points are that it is present on the outer mitochondrial membrane. Next is it prevents the leakage of the cytochrome C. Next, it prevents leakage of the cytochrome C and the other death inducing proteins and these proteins into the cytosol. Next, we look at the pro-apoptotic. In terms of the pro-apoptotic, that involves the BAX as well as the BAK. And what are they associated with? On activation, they increase the mitochondrial membrane permeability. So on activation, it increases the mitochondrial membrane permeability. Next is we move on to the stress sensors. So as per the stress sensors, there are the members, it includes the BAD. There's BAD, there's BIM, there is BIT, as well as the PUMA and the NOXA. So these stress sensors, they act as sensors of cellular stress, as well as the damage and regulate the balance. So they damage as well as and regulates the balance between the other two groups.